We are going to see an ancient rock. It's raining. Oh my god. So guys, going to die. So guys, I made it to the top of this lake. Amazing and beautiful, guys. This lake is 10 out of 10. It's like the first time that someone asks you for photos.
Yes.
You are all beautiful.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. So, can you like move a bit, like one at the front, one in the middle?
Yes.
Jag flyttar upp då.
Like
Perfect.
this.
Yeah, perfect. And if you can like look up like that guy.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, and if you can look at me like.
Vi måste kolla på... Like this.
Can we
look there? We need to look at him.
This one. Nothing you can see.
Oh, very beautiful. Can you send every photo?
Yeah, for sure.
Yes, thank you. Thank
Okay, no problem. Thank you to you guys first.
Thank you.
No problem.
We just prepare.
Bikini. If we had bikini, they would be perfect.
Probably, yeah.
Can we just...
Yeah, no problem. Can you just look like at the blue graffiti down there?
Which one?
Okay. Perfect.
Good. That was crazy.
You're going to take like a lot of blurs with
Okay,
this.
but where can we find this?
Yeah, yes, I got.
Mamma mia, questa qua è prosciutto. Adesso.
Oppure non...
Però.
Ma è solo...
Avrà comprato grande così per lui. Chiudere. Quello era il ballo.
Beh, appena per il primo viaggio che abbiamo fatto, neanche ci conoscevamo.
Quindi io sono qua.
Bevi acqua tu.
So guys, another day, another adventure. We are going to see an ancient rock. That's it.
So like more or less 500 years before Christ.
For today's vlog we did everything. Bye bye, see you tomorrow. Tonight is not going to be a good night. There are going to be like storms, etc. Weather alert. Today I didn't get any chance of doing some photos, so I'm going to take this last moment to take some shot. So guys, tonight is a party night. We are going to do 5 kilometers by bicycle to get to a party. The woman bicycle. I'm the cool guy. Everyone is like leaving and we are going in the opposite way. I don't know, the weather is like the worst that we have seen so far, and I don't know guys, just finger crossed for us. Welcome to the concert. No one is here, they are closing. It was super fun. It's raining. Oh my god. In the trip anything could happen, and yeah, this happened. Rain. Oh my god guys, it's raining super hard right now. Oh my god. Today the wind is insane, and so the elders are stopping in a city. We are waiting to see if they are going to cycle again or we are going to pick them up. So in the meantime guys, I'm going to cook something special. So guys, we are going to save the elders. Let's go.
Prova, non so, un vero scandinavo di quelli.
We are arrived, the saviors of the elders. See?
Giornata di M. Sì, infatti gli ho detto, è una maglietta.
So guys, another day is going to end. We are ish half away from the ending of this trip, and I'm feeling like good about how it is going. Only today we had a problem about the wind, but so far everything was going smooth. The chemistry of the group is working good. Everyone has like their job, everyone is doing it, and yeah, look at this guys. I just walk like so much that look at where I am. I'm taking this moment to put like a middle point of the trip and saying to you guys that everything is going smooth and good so far, and I'm really happy about it. Another thing that I'm really happy is that I was taking this trip as, you know, a new starting point for me, as like the last 6 and like more month, like 7 months, my life was not going well. I was like arguing myself about stuff and things that weren't like on my end. I was, you know, how can I say, I was overthinking a lot. I was, you know, making myself being worse than what I am. I was thinking like too much. I went into like a bit of depression. I just closed myself in my house. I started not editing. I started not doing stuff, and I don't know how to say this, guys, but like this is the difference between like people that and I'm going further on this discussion, guys. It's only that like I'm getting up, you know, guys. But after some situations, some stuff, there is like the type of people that just argue about it and not doing anything about it. Instead, I take myself out, I bring myself back again on the road. I'm hitting new objectives in my life, new destinations, and I'm getting my creativity back. And right now, guys, after like 15 days of trip, more or less, yeah, I'm feeling good, guys. I'm feeling really good of myself, how it's going, what I'm creating, what I'm doing about myself, and that's the important stuff. You know, sometimes you have just to do that. Bring yourself on something and go on. Decide a road, take it, and just go straight. Then you will see the results. Don't doubt yourself, just do. You will see the results later. Don't think, just go. And it's something that I learned, and it's making my life easier and like more happier. Yeah, you know, guys, as you know, I quit my job. I've been through like some, like I told you, depression and stuff, and right now, here in the middle of this giant lake, guys, I can tell that it was worth it. I'm still having problems about, you know, money and stuff, but it's something that you can solve. You're going to solve it. You just have to make yourself good, feeling good. I'm working on my creativity right now. Every day I'm doing content, I'm doing photos. I have like a lot of ideas, and that is very good, because I was without the flame inside me, and right now I'm feeling that I have it, and I'm doing like really beautiful content, and I'm really proud of it. And yeah, I don't know, guys, what more can I say? It's good to be here, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video, guys, because I hope that it's going to mean something for someone of you, and it's going to inspire you to get on the road, whatever type of road you want for your life, and just go hit the gas and reach your goals. That's it. So, guys, I don't know, this way. I walked super much, and that's it, guys. Good night. I just remember one thing that is super important about what I'm feeling right now, is that in this moment I'm cooking, and I'm cooking for 4 persons, so me, my friend, and the elders, and I'm cooking like like not simple stuff. I'm doing something really good because I want them like to taste my ability to cook and, you know, have like a beautiful experience. And so as an Italian, it's like I'm proud of cooking, but like in the past months, as I was saying, my creativity was down, I was feeling bad, I was like, you know, I didn't had also the like the joy of cooking and do like good dishes. So, you know, right now looking at me cooking and having people enjoying what I'm cooking, it's fantastic, guys. It's another feeling that you should try, guys. You should try, really. There is nothing more important for you guys, for those that are not feeling good. Just do something that you really like and show it to the people. Either if it is video making, photography, cooking, traveling, automotive stuff, everything, guys. Just do it and show to the people. You're going to have someone that is going to like it. You're going to feel super proud of it, and you're going to feeling good, and you're going on with your life. That's it. So with this beautiful landscape, guys, have a nice night. See you tomorrow. A big kiss to you, and bye bye.